So here we are in the workshop, and just looking at a few of the details. Handmade wooden hinges are a nightmare to make, but look amazing. They give this real kind of innocent, childlike feel. The doors on this particular job were difficult because they had to be made out of one single piece of wood. It sounds really straightforward, but it's not. Trying to find the widths is really difficult. But yeah, it was worth the effort. We managed to get hold of a specimen log, which is a beautiful log. One of the best I've ever seen. And you can see the detail there, it's absolutely extraordinary. I also encourage splits and natural features in the wood. I think the characteristics of English wood are truly profound. I think the most beautiful wood in the world. So yeah, I encourage any kind of natural feature. Unfortunately, most of my clients agree that that sanitized look is definitely a thing of the past. This section fits underneath the staircase, as will become apparent in a moment. Actually, in the dining room, it links perfectly the dining room and the kitchen together. So the whole thing will gel together almost like one space. And also there is a significance to the cat at the black cat at the bottom left hand corner. That links the two spaces thematically. The black cat linking perfectly with the witch on the broom, which is the main part of the kitchen, and we'll have a look at that next. Hi folks, the final piece of the jigsaw, a witch on a broom. Crazy you may think, unusual, quirky, even bizarre. But it works, and it works because it's been carved to the nth degree in this beautiful flowing Baroque style. And I love the idea of taking childlike themes with a real simplicity, but breathing real life into them and making them look almost real. This client came to me from Surrey, and she couldn't find what she wanted in the southeast, so she came to my business and we discussed her aims and aspirations with regard to the design. And she was very much into mysticism, witches, wizards, so I came up with this design which has a childlike simplicity. And I know she'll be absolutely over the moon with this because I've actually encapsulated her personality, and I think that's such a rare thing, and I think it's the mainstay of the business, that everything we make here is personalised and themed absolutely to the client. So this is absolutely original, and there isn't another one. I was going to say anywhere in the country, probably this is the only one of its kind on the planet. And I think that originality is a rare thing in the 21st century. So, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Cut.